Hi boys and girls, we're starting a unit on subtraction. So we're going to do a lot of subtraction this week to help us learn how to recognize subtraction facts and be faster at them. So we're going to use these 10 frames to help us solve the problem. So 10 minus 2, we started with 10. If we cross off 2, that leaves 8 left. So on the next one, we have 8 counters on the 10 frame, and we need to cross off 4 because we're taking away 4. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? 4. Very good. Okay, now we have 6, and we're going to minus 3. So cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many do we have left? 3. Now we have 7 minus 2. So there's 7, and we're going to minus 2. How many are left? 5. Very good. Okay, now we have 9 minus 7. So we're going to cross off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 2. Very good. And my last one, I have 10 circles on my 10 frame, and I'm going to cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do I have left? Just 1. All right. Now, back side, we're going to do a color page using our math facts. So let me help you with the math facts, and then you can do the coloring part. Okay, so anytime we see a minus 1, it's just the opposite of adding 1. So instead of going to the next number, we go to the number that's just behind. So this is a 6, 9, 3, 7, 3. See, I'm just looking for all of the minus 1s, and I'm going to the number just behind. So I'm finding all of the minus 1s, and I'm just writing the number before them. So this one is 8. Let's do this one. 5. Did you see any more minus 1s? This one is 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 10. Okay, now let's look for minus 0. Those are pretty easy because just like adding 0, the number just stays the same. 7, 8, 4. Do you see any more? Oh, there's one here. 5, 8, 10, 5, 8. Good, now we can use our number line for the ones that are left. So 10 minus 2, put your pencil on 10, count back 2. It's 8. So 10 minus 3 would be 7. And look, this is a flip-flop fact. If 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 minus 7 is 3. This one's a doubles. 6 minus 3 equals 3. This one's a doubles too. It's 5. 8 minus 5. Okay, we'll need our number line for that one. Put your pencil on 8, count back 5. It's 3. Very good. 5 minus 2? It's also 3. 10 minus 7, we found that answer over here. What's that one? 3. 9 minus 6, put your pencil on 9, count back 6. It's 3. 10 minus 5, that's a doubles, it's 5. 7 minus 2, put your pencil on 7, count back 2. Yeah, it's 5. So this is 5, 7 minus 2. This is also 5. Good. This doubles is 5. 12 minus 2, 12, 11, 10. It's 10. 9 minus 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5. 8 minus 5, we found the answer right there. It's 3. This is a doubles. It's 5. 8 minus 3, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5. 9 minus 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. There's a lot of 5s right there, isn't there? 12 minus 2, we just found that one. It's 10. 11 minus 2, 11, 10, 9. 10 minus 2, we've already found that one. It is 8. 10 minus 3, we found that one over here. It's 7. 8 minus 2, 8, 7, 6. That's 6. 9 minus 2, 9, 8, 7 is 7. Good. Now we're just going to use the colors at the top to color our picture. So 10s are brown, 6 is a yellow, blue is 9, green is 5, purple is 8, reds are 4, orange is 7, and black is 3. So go ahead and color, and when you're all done, it should look like, so when you're all finished, it should look like this, and then you can put it in your mailbox or your red folder or turn it in to the teacher.